Good evening. It is I again, your friendly neighborhood Brand Flakes. Welcome to the only show on the internet where I coax my family into letting me film the unboxing of their electronics. Today I have the Skullcandy Grind Fuel Skull IQ. I most certainly did not already try to open this and then stop midway so I could film. So if it looks like that, pardon. Alright. Looks like a distracting background. Well, this video is probably gonna suck, so you can either deal with it or stick it where the sun don't shine, pally. Alright. Got a little cardboard thing here. I assume there's a charging cable in it. Get this one open. Don't want to rip the box. What do we got? 1 year global warranty. Yes! Got some extra little earpieces, earplugs, and wow, look at this. I think this is a reversible USB, so you could put it in either way. If that is what it is, it's worth the price of admission right there. Alright, cardboard box. User guide with Uncle Jerry's handwriting. Cool. These are actually really helpful to read. Each one operates a little differently. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but it's good to have. Looks like a wonderful toilet read if I've ever seen one. And now, the creme de la meme, of course, is the headphones themselves with a very secure plastic bag on the outside. I like this finish. It's a bit of a strange shape for a headphone case, but here we go. Shoe nice. Ooh, look at that. Got some orange. Looks like decorative / supportive orange plastic. But it looks like this piece of plastic probably fits in there and prevents them from jiggling or something. Speaking of which, I mean, they're not rattling one bit. Looks nice. It opens really nice. Presentation is very nice. This orange plastic is a little bit tacky, but I kind of love it. I am a bit surprised at the seemingly high build quality with these Skullcandies. Normally, Skullcandies kind of suck, but these are not mine. As I've said, I've coerced my family members on a monthly basis to allow me to unbox their electronics, so we'll save the review for later, maybe. Good, magnetized. Nice and magnetized. Cool. And they ain't going nowhere. I mean, I'm glad this isn't mine. Okay. It worked, but one thing I don't really love about the whole earbud situation is like putting them into the case, or are they universal? Or perhaps the creators wanted the ring to have inclement weather. I don't know if that's connecting or not that way. Ah, jeez. You got a little Skullcandy imprint on the ear. That's weird. I think that's what that is. Unless it's a really crappy way of saying, like, R. Sorry about my hands. I went hiking and I haven't showered yet. Deal with it. I had to plug it in to get any response out of it, so it's the charging light and the indicator there on the bottom. It's flashing. Pretty sweet. Alright, I think that about wraps up this here unboxing video, folks. Thank you for watching. I have plenty more videos coming, slowly but surely. I'm trying to upload one a week. It's not always feasible while working 40 hours a week, but I'm doing my best. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends, hit that smash, just brutalize that like button, and have a good day.